Hey guys, welcome to Google Classrooms. We're going to learn about fractions and children's literature. You get to choose between two different assignments. You have If You Were a Fraction or the Hershey's Milk Chocolate Bar Fractions. You do not have to do both. You only have to do one. If You Were a Fraction, I'll tell you a little bit about it. You're going to listen to the book being read to you. It's about 4 minutes. And then you're going to go into Google Drawings, and you're going to create a page as if you were the illustrator or the author, and put together another page dealing with fractions and stuff like they did for their story. And so you're going to do that within Google Drawings. For the Hershey's Milk Chocolate Bar, you will need a full-size Hershey's Milk Chocolate Bar. Here we go. And it's going to be about this size, if you can see it. Just one of the normal ones, not the king size. You're gonna listen and follow along with her story, but you're gonna do what she does with the milk chocolate bar. When you're done with the story, which is about 13 minutes, you're gonna answer 2 short questions on Google Forms and submit that. It's real simple and fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for watching.